Hey everyone, welcome back to the English Language and Literature channel. Today we're learning English from the most hilarious source of all, TikTok skits. That's right, we're going to break down trending comedy reels and explain the real-life phrases and slang hidden inside. This skit uses the phrase low-key. It means a little bit or on the down low. Example, I low-key think my cat judges me every day. Also, you'll hear far, short for real, meaning seriously or truthfully. Use it like, I'm tired, FR.
Yeah, we're just calling Sabrina. Cut me off straight away.
This one uses no cap, which means no lie, or I'm being honest. Example, this is the best pizza I've ever had, no cap. You might also catch main character energy, meaning someone is acting like the world revolves around them. Try saying, she walked in with main character energy. Language is changing faster than ever, and TikTok is where it lives. What's your favourite slang or skit this month? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your fellow English learners. See you next time.